Zazoo Me Reviews, episode 1. Take 1.
Hello, and welcome to Zazoo Me Reviews. I'm Sheri Barbera.
I'm Barbera.
And today we are talking about bartender channels.
We're talking about bartender channels. We're going to start with the best bartender channel.
The first one that we're doing today, and only today, is the Tipsy Bartender.
The Tipsy Bartender.
He started his channel 10 years ago, November 1st, 2010. How many subscribers does he have?
We're talking like millions.
4.02 million subscribers. How many views do you think he has? Don't look.
Views?
Views. How many views?
A million.
How many?
3 million.
How many?
20 million views.
Okay. He has 636 million views.
The thing about the Tipsy Bartender is also that he has different characters. I mean, I don't want to call them characters because there are a lot of, how do I say this, beautiful girls?
How do you say that?
How do I say beautiful girls without saying beautiful girls? He's surrounded by beautiful girls who interact with the camera, and they're extremely funny.
So let's talk about the thumbnails.
The thumbnail.
The first thing you see when you go to the video page and look at the thumbnails is that the drink is the hero of the thumbnail. Right?
I think every single drink has a theme. Each thumbnail has a different drink, different colors, very simple text next to each drink. And aren't they, it looks like they're all the same size, same font, the text.
It's kind of weird because the text itself is black on white, which is awesome.
Very easy to read.
Very easy to read. So you know the channel's about drinks, cocktails, which is great. I think it really, really says bartender. And as you scroll down the page, they get more vivid and vibrant in color and a lot more fun. Like, for example, Forbidden Fruit. Well, that's a fun title. Wow. It's a beautiful thumbnail.
It's a beautiful thumbnail.
The drink is center stage.
And it's interesting that the peripherals show the mix of
probably the mix, probably what's in the drink.
What is in the drink, yeah. And it's of course, the mix, everything else in the background is a blurry little thing.
It's got a good photo quality to it.
Right.
I say thumbs up to the Tipsy Bartender. I would give him 5 stars. Would you?
Is it 1 to 5 rating?
Yes, a 1 to 5
rating.
rating.
Well then, yes, I would give him 5 stars.
I would give him 5 stars.
I would give him 5 stars.
I would say
we're putting our glasses on.
Super cool, right?
Okay, wait. I'm putting my glass on.
Super cool.
We raise our glasses to Tipsy Bartender.
To you, Tipsy Bartender. Your channel's awesome. Your thumbnails are awesome. Your titles are great. Everything looks beautiful.
Fun to watch.
Love your videos. It's a 5.
I think we like it.
I think we like it. Here's to you, Tipsy Bartender.
Tipsy Bartender.
To your health, to your wealth, to your happiness. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, we get the drink.
Oh, that's good.
Wait, I have to drink.
So thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you in the next video.
And that's Zazoo, baby.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Toodles.
I am Sheri Barbera.
And I am Skyy Barbera. All right, now, oh, look at my feet. My feet are good.